Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you some of my Montessori inspired activities for toddlers 2 to 4 years old. This first activity is a vocabulary building activity and a matching activity. I have some pictures that I downloaded from the internet. I made some cards and I also made this printable. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to show the cards and we say, this is a pirate, this is a treasure chest, this is a map, this is a pirate ship. Then we ask our toddler, can you give me the pirate? Can you give me the ship? Can you give me the treasure chest? Can you give me the map? Then we ask them, can you show me where the map goes? Right there. What about the treasure chest? Where does it go? Right there. What about the pirate ship? Right there. What about the pirate? Right there. This is a great activity for building vocabulary and for matching. This next activity is a letter recognition activity. We're going to use this printable with a letter P. We are going to use some letters and some little erasers that I put in these containers. So the first thing we want to do is have the child look at the letter P. Say, this is the letter P. It makes the sound P. P. Then we want to have the child trace the letter with his finger. Say, this is the letter P. Can you trace the letter P? Okay, let's trace the other one. We're going to go down. We're going to come around. Pirate starts with the letter P. It says P, P, pirate. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to use some little erasers and we're going to place them around the letter P. This is a great fine motor skills activity and it's a good eye-hand coordination activity. So on and on the child goes, putting all the little erasers. So as the child is putting the mini erasers, he's saying the sound. The P says P, P. All right, now can we do the other letter? Let's use these. Okay, let's put them all around. What sound does the letter P make? P, P, like pirate. This is a fun way to teach letter recognition and letter sound. The alphabet is the building block for literacy. Children must learn to recognize and name the letters and the sounds associated with each letter. This activity is a fun way to teach the name and the sound of the letter P. For this next activity, it's a number recognition activity. We're going to use a box. I covered it with construction paper. I got a printable from the internet of a monkey and I put on this little pirate's hat for a lesson. I also printed some bananas and I cut them out. You can laminate them for durability. We're also using some numbers. So you get a number And you say, what number is this? This is a number 1. Can you give the monkey 1 banana? What number is this? This is a number 2. Can you give the monkey 2 bananas? 1, 2. What number is this? This is number 3. Let's give the monkey 3 bananas. 1, 2, and 3. You can go on and on saying the number, counting the bananas. I also put a little door in the back so you can take out the bananas when you are done. This is a great number recognition activity, one-to-one correspondence, and it's also a fine motor skills because as they pick up the banana and hold it up and bring it up, they're using their pincer grasp. This is a great way for children to learn and have fun. This next activity is a sensory activity. I have some sand from Dollar Tree in a little container, something to move the sand around, maybe a little shovel, and then a little container so they can put whatever it is that they find as they're digging in the sand. So they start digging. Let's see, what did we find? A jewel. Okay, let's dig some more. See what else we can find here. Here's another jewel. Okay, oh, here's some gold. We found some gold. More jewels. Let's dig some more. Oh, a gold coin. So the child goes on playing and digging, just playing with the sand, seeing what else he finds. More jewels. This is a great activity, fine motor activity, using sand, and these are just little rocks that I went ahead and spray painted them gold. I hope you enjoyed these activities, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Thank you.